Get out of the camper. He went behind you, he's trying to hide. Get out of here. Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this new floor plan. It's a 2023 Grand Design Transcend 235BH. Before we get started, just a teeny reminder, like our page, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you get notified when we post brand new videos, because we like to show you guys things first. The new floor plan, we did an unveiling the day it hit our lot on our Facebook, so go to Facebook, follow us if you want more updates, but let's get started. This Transcend may be a little small, right at 26 feet and 4 inches, but it is mighty. It sleeps up to 5 people, which we'll get to when we go inside, but it also has lots of amenities that you don't usually see on Transcends, that being this outdoor kitchen. Check out the look at this door, how it just pops out that there's something different. And if you had this at a campground, I'm sure everyone would be wondering what's behind that door. It's a vertical setup, which I love, and we also have more space for customization if you want to add some shelving. But we have our beverage and snack fridge, a little bit of extra space for whatever you need it for, sauces, spices, because you'll be cooking on your Capital Griddle 2-burner top. I love that the inside looks like the outside, looks like the inside. They make everything really cohesive, but let's look at the storage. Our pass-through storage looks pretty normal. We've got the new flooring from the inside out here as well, so it's easy to clean. We also have 2 lights that have on, off, and motion sensor capabilities, as well as our convenience bay on that side. We have that upgraded solar gauge. We also have a battery disconnect, and everything's just super easy to use down here. We have a massive awning that we have pulled out on this lovely day here in Tennessee. Also, you get this one entryway for this floor plan, so it's a good thing to note about your door. You do know where it is in order to bring that awning in and out. And you also have an LED light, that's a porch light here, and our outdoor speakers. Everything you need in this floor plan, and just at the perfect length to go to those national parks and fit into some of those smaller spots. But let's head inside. When first stepping into this floor plan on our live on Facebook, I noticed a few massive differences and a few things that are very interesting to see paired on a floor plan like this one. So I wanted to show you guys how much floor space we get and a little overview of all the different places that you have to hang out in this floor plan, but we'll get to that later. Let's start at that entryway again. Here in front of our entryway, we have our control panel. We have our indoor-outdoor speaker system controls and an extra outlet and our fuse box, but we also have this amazing storage compartment that we have for shoes or anything else that we need, umbrellas right before we go outside, and a little extra cubby there. This is really good that they keep adding these into the side of these islands. I prefer these over cabinets, but what do you prefer? A cabinet with a door or just open shelving like this? I'm curious, but let's move on to our dining area. Our dinette area is like a little oasis of its own, because imagine the views you'll have out of this really big window looking out onto the opposite side of your outdoor entertainment space. But we have a standard dinette overall. You've got lots of space. I love the live edge wood on this table. It also makes into a sleeping space for one good sized person or multiple kids. This would be a really fun little bunk area if you have a few toddlers hanging out and coming along on your adventures. I can imagine the fun that I would have if I was a kid. But next to me is where extra guests will sleep. Bunk beds is always a preferred feature for our customers. So you get a little extra space, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, but you can definitely sleep a few more people. We have our normal bunks that are super soft and comfortable, and each bunk, there is 2, I have one flipped up, has its own window and light, as you can see, and it's really easy to get this thing from this position to this position, ready for your friends to come and stay, or like I've said in past videos, people use these for their dogs, just the bottom one. It's a great idea. I love it. Send photos, I would love to see. But now onto the kitchen. Check out this space, all countertop space in our kitchen area. We're thinking charcuterie boards are here. We have all of our friends gathered around trying new things. Super exciting. But also above it, we have our entertainment space. You can have the game playing, or you can even have a movie playing for the kids. Next to our TV, we have cabinet space that is 2 large drawers and 1 smaller one, good for those dinner size plates or serving trays. We also have our sink located below, easy to put those dishes back in. And this has a full-size nozzle and no divider, so it's super easy to use. We also have lots and lots of places for trash cans here. Plenty of places for all of our cleaning supplies and another trash can if you need it, if you're going to recycle, and extra places for your utensils and even pots and pans. So you may be able to sleep 5 people here, but you definitely can also feed 5 people. 3 burner top Furrion stove. Again, I love these knobs as a nightlight. And we also have a Furrion microwave and a Furrion hood. We see a trend here. And our fridge is one of those things that often changes, so just keep in mind when you purchase yours, this one's a Furrion one, but there could be another one on there. Just checking, or even the outside could look a little bit different, so double, triple check. But next to me, as you can see, we have a mysterious door. The bathroom is located at the rear. It is pretty big, but it's not as large because we do have an outdoor kitchen that takes up a little bit of our space back here. Above that, they've added in lots more storage here. This is good for extra bedding, pillows, or anything for your guests. And you do have towel holders, as well as medicine cabinets, toothbrush holders. Your toilet is off to the side here. You have a pocket door and our shower. It has plenty of space and a door built in. It squeegees all the water for you, and a removable nozzle head. So we check out all the bases here. Now onto that bedroom. Our bedroom option of this floor plan is a lovely Murphy bed that has a couch here first. So you don't have to sacrifice on your couch space during the day. You just fold up your mattress. And one thing that you can see about these mattresses when you look at them up close is that not the whole mattress is up in the air. You do have a good amount of area for your pillows and other things to store. So if you're worrying about having the accessibility to pull this thing up during the day, it's really easy, and you do have a lot of places to put things that will be safe back there. So let's check out what this couch does. It should go flat so I can bring that Murphy bed down. Ta-da! Just like that, you're ready for bed. And the mattress folds about right here. So you have about 2 feet, 2.5 feet of space for your pillows, blankets, or anything else that you don't want to make your bed before you put it up for the day. Put it back there. It's safe. You even have a light that can stay on. You can turn it off. We also have extra storage up top. I like that you could add some little baskets to make it really feel like you're at home. We also have 2 mirrored front wardrobes on each side, his and hers if you will. Nice storage area, big hanging rod, and it's plenty deep to store some extra things in there. We have 1 drawer and a cabinet down below on each person's little side table there. You also have places to charge your phone, a outlet, and a USB charging port. But I want to know, what do you think about this new floor plan? Leave us a comment below. And if you have any questions, you can always give us a call or even visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.